we look at helping students better understand what a workplace looks like, particularly in the science, technology, engineering and maths field.
It bridges the link between education and industry.
It was very informative, especially since I'm not very familiar within the sector they work with.
The fact that we are exposed to the internal working of a business environment for our students, it's an eye-opener.
Go&Learn, they will come from the university and we will introduce them to people working in the Malta Life Sciences Park so that they get a first-hand experience of what their studying will lead to.
ALTARO is a software company. It started in 2009 by 4 co-founders. We developed software technology that allows businesses worldwide. We have over 30,000 customers all around the world right now. This allows them to back up their business data to a safe location. In 2012, we released a new product which proved really successful, and since then we have been growing really well. As of today, right now, we have over 50 employees worldwide, with about 42 of them in Malta. We have a really great team. We invest to make sure we choose the right people. We're trying to find someone to join the team. We make sure that we choose a person which is better than us in this particular area, right? So by us working as part of this STEM project, by us working as part of the Go&Learn infrastructure, we can offer students a real life experience of how a business works, right? That by us meeting these local and foreign students, we also get to learn what they're looking for in a job. And that also helps us, right? I mean, to think for the future of what ALTARO maybe from higher practices, right, or environment needs to change to make sure that we're open for the future generation.
Whatever we're going to do in the Malta Life Sciences Park, the human resource is the most important one. Now, Malta University Holding Company and providing students from university coming in, we'd love that students in this Go&Learn experience, they come and learn. They come and learn what their career could be, what the opportunities are, how people are using those skills that they're learning in the business place.
I think this visit was quite an eye-opener.
That they are a very customer-oriented company.
We experienced a new friendly environment,
as they offer a lot of tech support and customer-oriented after-sales.
Everyone is so friendly and refreshed, and there's a close relationship between employees.